friends. Welcome to Devils Like Food, food for thought and food for your tummy. It's a little bit buggy here tonight, but I promise to show you the inside of the famous mansion of Starkweather, the Billsy Mansion, otherwise known as the Old Pink Bent Double Wide. We'll look inside and see how they fixed it up. When I was gone for that couple of days, I had some work done inside. Let's see what it looks like. And first, we'll walk up to the house. Okay? I'm right behind you. You go first. Okay, I'll show you what we got going on in here. But I do need to put the chickens away. Is it cool if we do that first? And then we'll go inside my place? Right on, cousin. All right. All right, girls, it's sleepy time. The bugs are coming out, and I don't want to come out anymore tonight. You had enough fun today. Do me a solid and go to bed so I don't get bit up too much. Come on. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. All right, everybody in the house, in the house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, Amelia, you're here again. Well, that's great. Thanks for visiting. You look like you lost some weight. Oh, we'll talk later, maybe tomorrow, okay? I gotta go now, honey. All right. Into the house, into the house. Please, please go into the house, so I don't have to come back out and tuck you in. I don't want coyotes to eat you, my friends. Go ahead, go to bed, and make me some breakfast. All right, thank you, girls. All right, thank you. Thanks for participating and playing along. Good night. Here's my patented coyote proof system. All right. Think we did good. Now, which way should we go? I don't know. Well, let's go the way we came. Check out the elevator. PV. I used to have guitar amplifiers named PV. Yeah, remember them? I think it was Marshall amps and PV amps back in the day. All right, I'll let you watch my magic clown sneakers. Okay? But first, I just decided I'm going to do my scene from Caddyshack. I am Chevy Chase. And then I'm also Bill Murray. And Bill Murray says, "Hey Ty, don't you have a pool here?" And then me, as Ty, who is Chevy Chase, says, "Yeah, I got a pool. A pool in a pond. The pond will be good for you." And scene. Thank you very much. Ready for Caddyshack. Alright, check out my Kersey shoes again.
All of a sudden, I got a craving for a Snickers bar.
Studio number 3. Home of the, what does a chef buy at a farmer's market? Yes, a new studio. Still working on that one. Okay, now we're at the front. Oof, that's my hand. And I'm going to open the door and show you all the work that was done inside. Okay? Alright, we're going to go into Bill Z's Starkweather Mansion, otherwise known as what? What? The old bent pink double wide. Dun 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 dun. There's the Chef Bill again bike. Well, let's look at the Chef Bill again bike. Alright, are you ready? We're going to go inside. I will walk up the steps and we will open the door.
Oh, the sitting room. That's what they did with that piece I had. Looks nice. New chair. Yeah, they gutted that whole bedroom. I said I wanted some pot in the house. Yeah, a little place to chill out. Yeah, some treasures I found. The chandelier looks nice. Yeah, I'm pleased. They did a great job.